Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to cancel our Netflix subscription. The first step is go to the superior right corner here in the option of our profile. And now we go to the option of Encuentra. This is a Spanish account, but I translate you to the process. Here in the part of Cuenca, you can put here, you need to put here, this is the option of account in English. So you put here, and after that you need to put here and cancelar membresía. This is delete or cancel our membership. And after you put here, you still get Netflix, but after the next payment, the next month, the subscription is off. Subscription is canceled. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.